You've been naughty.
Fucking time.
I'm gonna fucking spank you. Hey guys, Scab Cardi. Yeah, so pizza. And you guys are showing so much love on the breakfast wrap, so I figured I'd show you one of my other recipes. So ingredients, you need a pan, and you need oil, and you need dough, and then you're also going to need some Authentico Arrabbiata. Authentico Arrabbiata. Oh, let's go, baby.
That's good.
And you're gonna want some cheddar cheese, some jalapeno Monterey Jack, some Gouda as well. Gouda is very Gouda. Some ham or like turkey or whatever, you know, some sandwich meat. And some onions, of course, too. And we got tomato, so
It's crucial.
I don't know if you guys can see it, but that's right there. Tomato.
Have you ever made pizza?
No.
I bet.
Just like dish.
Yeah. I mean, I usually
you-
take a big spoon.
Yeah, okay, use a big spoon, guys.
Yeah, it's nice.
So basically, you're just gonna want to take a big spoonful of your Arrabbiata, and then you're gonna want to just lightly dabble it onto the dough, and then just casually, just kind of, you know,
massage
mess
it.
around with it a little bit. You know, just freestyle. Just vibe with the dough.
Wait, pick the sauce up and then be like, hold it and be like, so that's enough of that. And then I'll take it out of your hand and then you'll edit it so it just disappears out of your hand.
And that's enough of that.
There we go.
Let's go.
Oh fuck, I guess it would have been funny if you were just kind of like, whew. You're like, damn. Like,
Okay. And that's enough of that.
it seemed cooler in my head.
Once you got your sauce all nice and spread, I'll wash it matter. Okay, next step is meat. So you're going to grab your meat, open it up. Oh shit, this is a duo pack. Cap Cardi's having difficulty, boys.
This can't be that hard, right?
Yeah, I don't know, because it's like still connected to that thing, so it's kind of tough, you know?
Yeah,
I think it's pretty hard, guys.
Let's see what it's like.
Yeah, thanks, Dad. Or should I say,
If you know, you know.
I think that's good, man.
Yeah, that's perfect.
So this is perfect. You heard it yourself. Meat on top of the sauce. Yo,
big
so
boy.
you're gonna want this fucking.
This is nice.
I'll do it. 20K likes and I do it. One like.
And I'll do it.
So you're just gonna want to take your onion here, take your knife, and then cut it thin slices, boys. Because
There you go, that's beauty. Just evenly spread.
yep, you gotta make sure to.
Good for tomatoes.
Yeah, this one's.
You want that serrated edge?
Yeah, you need this one because like it has the. If you, I don't know if you guys can see it on camera. You probably can because I have like a pretty fucking unreal camera. But yeah, if you can see those like ripples, they bend so that they don't break the tomato. Bend, don't break, boys. Put it down like this and.
Hold it counterclockwise.
Yeah, but then when you're cutting, you want to do it.
Clockwise, probably, right?
Yeah, but also perpendicular.
Against the grain. I've heard.
Yeah. You want
That's
to
just
make.
what I've heard, though.
Yeah, you want to make sure it's extra califragilisticexpialidocious.
Yeah.
Thin slices,
Yeah,
because
thin as
thick is fucking stupid.
Yeah,
You want to get a little bit each bite. You don't want to get a massive bite of tomato. Just
Oh, it's the worst.
No, it gotta be proportioned. Just like me, big legs, big arms.
Yeah, perfectly.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Usually I put tomatoes on top of cheese, but we're kind of trying something different today.
Yeah.
It just shows you that there's no right way to do it.
No, exactly. Like, if you want to be the fucking best, then you'll do it this way, but, you know, whatever. It doesn't matter. Like, really, it doesn't matter what anybody thinks,
Yeah.
but it's kind of nice being the fucking best, you know?
It does have its perks, man. Like,
Yeah. Because, like, then you fuck lots of bitches, and you got lots of money, and you're driving fast cars.
yeah.
Oh, since Mikey being such a cute little baby. Oh, Mikey.
You're gonna want new Bothwell cheese. I believe it's only available.
Yeah.
New Bothwell.
Yeah. Yeah, I heard that. I heard that the cows are only fed GMOs. There.
Or yeah, it's all non-organic. 100%. It's natural, guys.
Yeah, so make sure that the cheese grows up nice, big, and strong.
Yeah. Grain fed always. Fuck grass fed. That's not natural.
No.
Yeah. They're meant to.
You say anything, bro?
Yeah, I guess. That's how it goes. Alright, so get a nice grade.
So yeah, to grate the cheese.
To grate the cheese, first step, you're gonna want to get a nice firm, even.
Fatality.
I've never made a cooking video, honestly. Man, this cap guy pisses every fucking 30 seconds on God. You're like a girl. Don't freeze your cheese, guys. It does crumble.
And if you do, make sure to melt it before you grate it.
Yeah, this is. Wait, what?
Yeah, melt it.
okay.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, exactly. I don't know, good.
It has a stinky poo-poo bum-bum taste to it.
Yeah, I think that's what they were going for on this rendition.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure they mixed that in with the cow shit. Yeah.
Here, it's actually promoted right there. Stinky Bum Bum Poo Poo, yeah, as you saw.
It smells like yummy bum-bum.
Stop it. Get some help.
I see that. Yeah,
I'm
that's
with
perfect.
Oh, God, his ass. Got halfway on my fucking It was worth it for the content. I'm getting half these royalties, bro. Holy shit, I actually got sleeved like all the way in my sweater.
Fuck, you sound kind of mad.
I sound mad?
Yeah, you sound pretty mad about it.
Bro.
Pretty good. Pizza's ready to go. You're gonna want to put it in the oven.
Yeah, we got the oven set at 550. It's almost there.
Yeah.
We cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. Doesn't take too long. High heat.
Yeah, what he said. While we're waiting for it to heat up, so you're gonna want to take this thing, the sink stopper, water stopper thing, and then you just want to fucking.
Here comes the money.
That was good. It's easy with Bud Light. Bud Light's water. Dad's not home, you know what that means.
Yeah.
Cats are allowed on the counter. Bro.
Okay, so once you've put your pizza in the oven, and you've shotgunned your Bud Light,
Yeah.
now it's time to go take a bon hoot. Do you want to see how to take a bon hoot the cap way? Then fucking smash the like button. Smash. You guys haven't been very good boys and girls, so yeah, I'm gonna need 20 likes on this video at least. That you've been naughty.
Fucking time.
I'm gonna fucking spank you.
You really just fucking killed it.
Yeah, thanks, man.
I don't know if anybody has the skill set to accomplish this, but
No,
if you can come close,
yeah.
it's second place is, you know, I wouldn't want it, but you know,
Yeah, it's,
can't be too mad.
Exactly. Like, you know, somebody's got to be the best, right? So fucking, it just happens to be me. Whatever. Imagine not having this house all to yourself. Oh! Yeah! Fuck! I say it as loud as I want because I don't give a fuck! Comment, like, subscribe, and smash that bell! Oh! Yeah! Just like a smash, yo, beat! maybe try it out yourself. Let me know how it goes. Tweet at me. Follow me on Twitter, CapCardi. Follow me on Instagram.
All right, I think
Let them know. Let them know.
let them know.
Yeah, let them know.
Yeah, it's Trust, No More Trust, Instagram.
It'll be,
I make some fire beats,
yeah.
some music, sing on that shit.
Where would they find your Instagram? Oh. It'll be in the link to below. It'll be in the description below.
Yeah, it'll be down. Yeah.
Yeah. Make sure to check out Trust. Final words. Thanks for watching.
Oh,
Yay.